Sorry, I'm out of breath because I had to go run and get, let's see if this will stay. I had to run and go get my charger. Man, I really need to invest in like a Gorilla thingy-majigger. Whew. Okay. It's been a while. It has been a very, I don't remember the last time I uploaded. Yeah, so we're back. The EK is coming back. Let's see what has happened in the last couple of months. I think from the last time I recorded that Cars and Coffee video, or I uploaded that, I was just figuring out what the hell I'm gonna do with it, because I literally have like the whole interior like on the shelf, all the plastics and stuff, but I guess not a lot of people know. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you know now, but the EK is getting painted. But by the time I upload this and you guys are watching it, the EK should be back in this garage. Yeah. So, I think for those that follow me on Instagram know what color I'm going with, which is Phoenix Yellow. Why did I choose Phoenix Yellow? It's been a color that I've always wanted to paint on an EK. Honestly, if I were to paint like, or I mean, if I were to build like a coupe or a sedan or whatever, I think I still would choose Phoenix Yellow. It's just, I've always loved that color. It's a very nostalgic color, and I didn't want to do a color that you see often up here, like, you know, like VSM or even like Milano Red or whatever. But I'm not knocking those colors at all, because, you know, I love those colors too. Because the original color of the EK was VSM silver, but I didn't want to. Honestly, I wanted to go VSM because I've seen photos of like VSM Type R, like EK9 Type R, which is a very rare color. Bless you. Thank you. It's a weird angle, and it looks a little tilted because I think I've shown you guys what my setup looks like, but I literally tape the handle of my GoPro to the handle of my floor jack. Something that I've been waiting for about a year now came in today. Shout outs to Yasu from Exceed out in Japan. He got this lip to me in about, honestly, like, oh, excuse me, fuck, I'm hella gassy today. 3 days time, 4 days time or something like that. So huge shout out to Yasu. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but I guess it'll just be an update video and an Exceed front lip unboxing video. So you see it? I shouldn't even be dragging it, because you want to keep the value of, I'm just kidding. All right. This is the lip. I haven't, well, I cut open the tape, but I haven't opened it like fully yet. Like that's it. Oh, and you're probably wondering what that is. Yeah, a lot of you are probably just like, why did you go from a K-Swap back to D-Series? Well, I sold my K-Swap, or my long block. It wasn't a full swap, but I sold my JDM K24 long block because I decided I'd probably jumped the gun on buying a swap before I painted the car. So those funds went towards the paint for the car, because paint is like 5 cents. Anyways, it's another Y7. Shout outs to Raul. He goes by Groove509 on Instagram. If you know, you know. He has the like fully kitted, like fully Mugen kitted SIR EK hatch. I think it's right hand drive. Pretty sure SIR. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. Anyways, I got that from him. I got a really good deal on it. It was like $600 for a full swap. Like it for a full swap, running, healthy, whatever. I definitely will make a video when I decide to refresh that thing. I'm gonna do just like seals and stuff. I'm still debating if I want to do like a head gasket, just because, you know, this gonna be the daily motor until I figure out what I want to do with a K-series motor. But let's get to this unboxing. Huge thank you to Yasu. Like, I think I've messaged him pretty late at night, and we had like a whole conversation about it, and he was willing to ship me one next day. Okay. As excited as I am for this lip, I'm pretty excited to run the Exceed sticker on the EK. But I think, yeah, anyways. So the lip comes with all brand new hardware, which is really cool. It comes with this sticker, and also comes with the instructions. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And I'm praying that it came in one piece. This is it. I think once I have like the car back, and then maybe on a nice day I'll show you guys video of it mocked up, because this lighting in here is fucking trash. Anyways, you see it right there, Mode Perfume. Honestly, it's still like, I don't understand, like, if this reinforcement stuff, if this is, I need to ask some of the homies that run this lip. But yeah, I don't know if this is cool for right now or what, but I know some of the homies that have the first production run of this lip had fitment issues. So yeah, like there's like that stuff. Yeah, I don't know, but it's still a very high quality lip. It's fiberglass. So if I crack this lip, best believe I'm gonna get my guy to fix this. However, he can't fix it, but this is it. Yeet. Anywho. That's the lip. This is such a weird angle, but yeah, that's the lip. Holy shit. You gotta make it work however you can make it work, right? This is, you guys are duct taped. Gorilla duct tape. Yeah, I still have this $40 Costco light thing that works like a dream. But Y7, just like the one I took out the EK originally that I gave to one of the homies. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to another video. Yeah, a lot more coming. The EK project's back. I'm in a good headspace going forward. I'm like, yeah, everything in life, I can't complain about anything. I'm very grateful for everything and everyone I have in my life right now. But yeah, definitely in a good headspace. And yeah, more EK content on the way, I guess. Yeah, cool beans. But yeah, the next video you guys should be expecting is the color review, the reveal color review. It's not really a reveal, but to you guys it will, cause yeah. All right. Well, see you later.